Hey you lovely ladies, this is Creative Kina once again back with another DIY tutorial, and this time it's time to pamper yourself with a beautiful nail art. Today we'll be doing a nail art and I'm using these three nail paints, and this is the brand I always prefer using on other brands. This is Nykaa, and I really love the Nykaa nail paints. They're affordable and of course they look beautiful in different trendy colors. Also, I'm using some nail art tools. You can check them out in the descriptions mentioned. And I am so excited to do this tutorial with you girls. So let's get started with it. I'm using a liner brush to create some art strokes on the ring finger. Beginning with the black nail paint, I'm going to create some freehand strokes. Always make sure whenever you do a second stroke of the color, make sure to wipe your brush clean because we want some neat and crisp strokes. I'm sure all you ladies out there love to pamper yourself with the nail art. And people spend a lot of amount on getting nail arts done from different salons and some nail art salons. Why not try it at home when you can do it easily the same way and get the same results? So here I'm using the pink color of Nykaa again and creating some other strokes. You can always match the colors with your outfits and create some trendy nail arts. Now I'm creating some tulip shapes with just the brush strokes. Once you're done creating the pink tulips, we'll be outlining the tulips using the black nail paint again. See, here I'm outlining the nail paint. Just give a light and a gentle stroke with the outliner brush. To the other tulip too. So it already looks so good, right? Now I'm using the dotting tool and I'll be creating some dots on the nail art. Just dip your dotting tool once in the nail paint and make the consecutive dots. Your first dot will be a little bigger one, then smaller, smaller and a smaller dot. You can already see that this looks so trendy and so classy. Now what you can do is you can always use one finger and create a beautiful nail art and just leave the rest of them plain. But I always love to add a different touch to it. So I'm going to go ahead and create some polka dots on my other nails using the same dotting tool. Make sure your dotting tool is clean enough so that we get beautiful dots. We do not want to mess the dots, so we want some neat polka dots. Start from the center of the nail, leaving a little space. Go ahead and mark the dots. Always start from the center of the nail. Now for the second line, we will mark the same dots, but this time leaving the alternate spaces. See, you can already see there are 4 dots in the center, then 3 in the next one, then again 4 dots in the next line. See, this looks so pretty. Now just marking half dots on the tip of the nails so that there's an equal pattern that runs around the nail. Let's do it on the other nails too. Again, starting from the center, go ahead and create the dots. Always dip your dotting tool and load fresh nail paint whenever you want to do the next dot. Here we are done with the last finger too. Just 2 or 3 dots more left. In case you do not have the dotting tool, please use a toothpick or a paper pin. It will mark equally the same dots as a dotting tool does. Now always let your nail art dry before using the top coat. Here I'm using Hansen's top coat. I'm in love with this range also. It has amazing top coat and base coats. Go ahead, give them a try. We have a lot of range available in Hansen. I'm sure you will fall in love with this product like me. So we are done with the nail art. The top coat always makes sure that the nail art is protected. So always apply a top coat once the nail art has completely dried. So go ahead, flaunt your nails. You can always wear this nail art in your offices too because it is just a sober and an elegant one. I'm sure you will give it a try. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and keep pouring in all your love. Thank you, lovely ladies. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.